Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore or make a backup of your Qbittorrent client if you are going to refresh or install new Windows and you don't want to lose your torrents download. As you can see, this is the huge list of torrent downloads on my Qbittorrent client. It's almost around 286 torrents, and now I need a safe backup of all of these torrents. As I have to install new Windows, I don't want to lose these torrents. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos. So first of all, you need to close your Qbittorrent client from your system. Make sure it is properly closed and it should not be seen on the tray icon of your system. Now open your control panel, go inside File Explorer options. Go in View and make sure here you need to enable hidden files, folders and drive of your system. Then close this dialog box window. Now go to your desktop, go in My PC, go in C drive where we have installed our Qbittorrent. Go in Users and here select user of your system. My user is Vacaz. Yours will be different. Go inside this. Go to App Data, that is blurred hidden folder. Go to Local folder. Here you will see your Qbittorrent client folder. Copy this folder as it and paste it into a safe partition where you are not going to install Windows. So it's E drive. But I will install Windows on C drive. So now I am going to install new Windows. I am going to skip here on this video. Alright, I am back on my new Windows. After installation, as you can see, I am on my new Windows. Whatever the version of Qbittorrent you are going to install, it will be restored to its backup that you have created. Now I'm going to install Qbittorrent client, select language, accept license agreement. Create a desktop shortcut if you want. Then simply install it. After install, you have to uncheck it and make sure don't launch your Qbittorrent. Now again we need to go to control panel, go to File Explorer option and make sure you need to enable hidden files, folders and drives. Now you need to go to Qbittorrent folder that you have stored in a safe partition. Just copy this folder, go to My PC, then go to Drive C, then Users. Select User, then go inside App Data, then go in Local. Now paste that folder here. Alright, now we need to go to the desktop and launch our Qbittorrent, run as administrator. Then you will see torrents start loading. Boom! As you can see, all of the torrents are restored successfully on my Windows. There were 286 torrents downloads and now all can be seen here. So this was a tutorial about making a safe backup of your Qbittorrent. If you want to refresh or install new Windows, this tutorial is for you. Let me know in the comments section if you have any queries. Leave your comments. For more tech videos like this and problem solutions, don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching this video.